Imagine this. Somewhere far beyond our skies, orbiting the giant planet Jupiter, there are entire worlds that could change everything we know about life in the universe. They're not planets, they're moons. And Jupiter doesn't just have a few. It has at least 95 of them. Most are small, cold, and quiet, but 4 of them stand out like characters in a cosmic story: Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. These are the Galilean moons, discovered by Galileo over 400 years ago, and to this day, they remain some of the most fascinating places in our solar system. Each one of these moons is like its own world. Io, for example, is a nightmare of fire and chaos, the most volcanically active place known to exist. Its surface is constantly reshaped by rivers of molten sulfur, glowing lava lakes, and explosions so powerful they can be seen from space. Every eruption happens because of Jupiter's incredible gravity, which pulls and stretches Io's core, heating it from within. Then there's Europa, a frozen moon that hides one of the greatest mysteries of all. Beneath its bright, icy surface, scientists believe there's a vast ocean of liquid water, maybe twice the amount of all Earth's oceans combined. Think about that for a moment. An ocean beneath the ice, kept warm by the moon's inner heat. No sunlight, no surface life, yet possibly the perfect place for something to exist. Microbes, maybe, or something far more complex. Europa is one of the top candidates for alien life in our solar system, and that's why it's become the focus of one of NASA's most ambitious missions ever. Ganymede, on the other hand, is the largest moon not only of Jupiter, but in the entire solar system. It's so big, it's even larger than the planet Mercury. What's even stranger is that Ganymede has its own magnetic field, something no other moon has. And scientists have found evidence that deep below its frozen crust, it too might have a salty ocean. It's like a planet of its own, orbiting another world. And then there's Callisto, old, dark, and covered in craters. It hasn't changed much in billions of years. Some scientists call it the fossil moon, because it preserves the ancient history of the solar system, like a cosmic time capsule floating in space. But what truly makes these moons so important is what we can learn from them. Scientists around the world are now racing to explore them up close. NASA's Europa Clipper mission is preparing to study Europa in detail, flying past it dozens of times to scan its ice, its magnetic field, and even the plumes of water that sometimes burst through its surface into space. At the same time, the European Space Agency launched the JUICE mission, which will visit Europa, Callisto, and Ganymede. And for the first time in human history, it will orbit another moon. Imagine that. A spacecraft orbiting a moon, orbiting a planet, orbiting a star. These missions aren't just about curiosity, they're about preparation. The icy moons of Jupiter are like natural laboratories that teach us how life might survive in extreme conditions. Without sunlight, under crushing pressure, and surrounded by radiation. If we can understand how oceans exist beneath their ice, maybe we can learn how to protect our own planet, or even how to live beyond it. And that's where it gets even more exciting. The technologies being developed for these missions, advanced radiation shields, autonomous navigation systems, deep space communication tools, could one day help humans travel to even more distant worlds. Maybe Europa or Ganymede won't just be the next places we explore. Maybe one day, they'll be the places we call home. So next time you look up at the night sky, find that bright dot that's Jupiter, the king of planets. Around it, invisible to the naked eye, orbit dozens of hidden worlds. Fiery ones, frozen ones, ancient ones. Some that might even carry the spark of life. They've been there for billions of years, waiting for us to finally notice them. And now, for the first time in history, we're finally going to see what secrets they've been keeping. Because in the vast darkness of space, sometimes the most extraordinary worlds aren't the ones we see, but the ones still waiting to be discovered.